how you can turn your Viber notifications on and off. So there are a few options that you can do this, but first you'll have to open your Viber and go to your settings. Once you're on your settings, you can tap on notification. You can customize your notification right here by unselecting the unwanted notification that you don't want to have. So you can turn off your notifications by just turning off these selected box. The other way you can completely turn off your notification is by opening your app. So first open your settings. Once you're on your settings, you can go to your app drawer or your app settings and find Viber here. So you're just going to scroll down and find your Viber. Here you can tap on notifications and you can turn it off. So by doing this, your app will totally be shut down and none of its notification will be shown to you. And this is another method that you can turn it off. And to turn it back on, you just allow it and go back to your Viber settings, and you just select all of these boxes again. So you're just going to turn these on to turn on your notifications back again. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.